guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting announcement today. Well, at least I think it's exciting. I will be starting a new series here on my channel. It's going to be called Let's Face It. And that's what we're going to do is we are going to face it together. In this series, we will be going over specific areas of the face, specific product application, different things like color correcting, or just different little informative bits that will sort of walk you through step by step how to approach something and maybe give you some tips and tricks to make makeup seem less intimidating, or just easier to maneuver in your day-to-day life. I've gotten a lot of comments, questions lately from family, friends, and subscribers about certain specific areas and product recommendations and techniques, and so I really just wanted to throw it together in a series because I just want to share my knowledge with all of you. I've been in the makeup industry for a few years now, and I've really enjoyed my time, and there's a lot to learn. There's no right or wrong way to do makeup, and so I think that's a very important attitude to have to start. But there are definitely tips and tricks that make things more effective and easier for you to do in your day-to-day life. So that is what I'm hoping you get out of this series. If you have anything specific you want me to cover, any certain techniques, any certain areas of the face, any products that you want application tips for, please leave it down below in the comment section, or I will leave my Instagram information in the description box down below, and you can send me a DM anytime and I will add it to the list. The first video has already been filmed, and let me say, I'm excited about it. It's an area I get a lot of questions about. So I hope you look forward to this series. I know that I certainly am. And yeah, again, if you have any suggestions or certain things you want me to cover, please let me know. I'm happy to do so. And I look forward to giving information to you and seeing how you use it and seeing what you create. So please, if you use any of my tips, tricks, or anything from this series, tag me in it. I want to see how you apply what we've talked about. That's all for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.